Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the popular Honda Brio Satya E CVT. This compact car has garnered a lot of attention, and we're here to break down its strengths and weaknesses. Let's get started.
The Honda Brio Satya E CVT is a popular compact car. It's known for its efficiency and style. One major advantage is its fuel efficiency. The Brio Satya E CVT offers excellent mileage. It's perfect for city driving. The compact size makes parking easy. It also has a smooth CVT transmission. This provides a comfortable driving experience. However, there are some drawbacks. The cabin space is limited. Taller passengers might feel cramped. The trunk space is also small. It's not ideal for large luggage. The engine power may feel lacking on highways. Despite its size, it has impressive features. The infotainment system is user-friendly. It includes Bluetooth connectivity. Safety features like airbags are standard. The interior design is modern and appealing. Overall, it's a practical choice for urban drivers.